Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. This edition will be presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
You are watching the currency and commodity markets roundup for the last week.
So, could you please tell us about main market moving events on Forex last week?
The US dollar weakened on Friday against its rival currencies after the February non-farm payroll report came in stronger than expected. On the other hand, wages looked subdued growth. The US dollar index, tracking the greenback strength against half dozen major currencies, fell to 101.38 on Friday. In response to investors' disappointment with the slow wage growth, the index declined to 101.17, the lowest level since February 28. The US dollar index shed 0.3% last week. The US private sector added 235,000 new jobs in February. The construction sector showed the strongest increase in new jobs in nearly 10 years because of unexpected warm weather for the season. The unemployment rate fell to 4.7% from 4.8% earlier. On the whole, the labor market revealed decent data. On the minus side, average hourly earnings rose a meager 0.2% lower than the forecast for a 0.3% gain. In annual terms, wages increased by a solid 2.8% in February. This data discouraged some investors. The euro advanced against the US dollar to 1.0678 on Friday, having gained about 1%. Earlier last week, the euro climbed to 1.0699 against the greenback, the highest level since February 9th. The euro rose 0.5% for the week. The euro's climb was triggered by news in the media that the European Central Bank had discussed whether it could raise interest rates before ending its monthly bond buying program. However, the discussion did not last for long, and the idea was not confirmed officially. The euro's growth was capped by high expectations for the rate hike by the US Fed at the policy meeting that will end this Wednesday. That's all about ongoing trends on Forex. Anna, what trading sentiment dominated among commodity investors?
Last week, bears were setting the tone on the commodity markets.
And what exactly sparked the sell-offs?
Commodities were trading lower as traders voiced concern about risks of a hefty increase in US oil stockpiles, further gains in shale oil production, and statistics on the US labor market. These fears outweighed optimism about commitments of large oil exporters inside and outside OPEC to the agreement on production cuts. Oil prices suffered a weekly loss of about 9%, settling at their lowest level since late November. May Brent futures shed 1.6% to $51.37 a barrel, with prices marking the lowest finish since November the 30th. Brent lost 8.1% for the week. April West Texas Intermediate also fell to the weakest level since November 30th. WTI closed at $48.49 a barrel on Friday, having shed almost 9%. Moreover, gold also ended lower following the statistics on the US jobs market. Gold for April delivery closed 0.2% down at $1,210 40 cents a troy ounce. Earlier in the session, gold declined to the lowest level since January 31st. For the week, prices ended around 2% lower on the heels of a 2.5% loss last week.
Anna, thanks for your comments on commodity market. You have watched the weekly update on the currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
It has been presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
Good luck and see you later.
Bye.